Namaste. Welcome to Yoga for Neck Tension Relief. Take a seat and cross your legs at your shins. Then spin your inner thighs down so you're really sitting on your sitting bones, resting your palms on your knees, and relax your shoulders away from your ears. We're going to warm up our neck first, so drop your chin to your chest and then back up. That's 1, drop your chin down and bring it back to center. 2, drop your chin and back up. 3, and the last one, drop your chin down and back to center. 4. Now 4 times, lift your chin up and then lower your chin back to center. 1, lift up and lower. 2, bring your chin up, back to center. 3, and the last one, lift your chin, look up and back to center. That's 4. Now we're going to look over our right shoulder 4 times. Here we go. Look over your right shoulder. 1, and back to center. 2, look over your right shoulder, back to center. 3, look over your right, back. And the last one, look over your right shoulder and back to center. Now look over your left shoulder. 1, and back. 2, back to center. 3, look over your left and back. And the last one, looking over your left shoulder, back to center. Good job. Inhale, get ready. As you exhale, right ear towards your right shoulder, and take a big belly breath in and out through your nose. Relax your shoulders, relax your face. Inhale back to center, exhale left ear to your left shoulder. Take a big belly breath, slow deep breath in and out through your nose. Inhale back to center. Now place your right hand right by your left collarbone, and then turn your nose towards your right. So again, look over your right shoulder. And you'll feel a very gentle stretch of the front neck muscles, the anterior scalene muscles. It's very subtle, so just gently move your head while you're breathing deeply. Then come back to center, switch sides. Place your left hand right below your right collarbone, and then look over your left shoulder. And with your hand, just notice the subtle stretch of your front neck muscles. So gently make micro movements, move your head back and forth, side to side, along with deep breaths. And then come back to center, release your hand down. And change the cross of your legs. Now your head is in the center. Now turn your nose in the same direction as where your right knee is pointing to. Place your right hand on the back of your head and gently lower your chin towards your chest. So now your head is in a diagonal position, so your head is not too far over to the right. And then gently hold just to add weight onto your head to enjoy a nice neck stretch here. Remember to breathe deeply with slow, long, deep breaths. This is a really nice, juicy stretch. And then slowly release your hand down. Turn your nose back to center and then over towards where your left knee is pointing to. Place your left hand on the back of your head and then gently lower your chin down. So we're just adding some extra weight that will help release tension, but it's very subtle. You don't have to pull your head down. And feel free to gently move your head a little bit if that feels good. And then slowly release your hand down. Bring your nose back to center. And then extend your arms out to the sides. Place the back of your left hand on your lower back. As you exhale, right ear to your right shoulder. And with your right hand, hold on to your head. And again, you don't have to pull your head down. This is just to add a little bit of extra weight. And breathe. Slow, deep breaths. Remember to relax your face and shoulders. Release any tension with each exhale. Slowly release your right hand. Bring your face back to center and then switch sides. So the back of your right hand goes by your lower back. And then as you exhale, left ear to your left shoulder. And gently rest your left hand on the side of your head. Take long, slow, deep breaths in and out through your nose. And feel free to add micro movements to release any neck tension. Well done. Then release your hand down. Place your index and middle finger on your chin. And then bring your head back, so away from your fingers, like you're making a double chin. And then bring it back towards your fingers. So it's a very subtle back and forth movement, kind of like the Pharaoh dance. Do a few more. So this is very helpful if you're on your phone a lot or working in front of a computer. Then we have a tendency to really stick our chin forward, and that can create a lot of tension in the neck. Well done. Release your hands down and bring your head back to center. And let's roll out our shoulders for some tension relief there. Hold on to your shoulders. Bring your elbows down, forward, up, and back around again. So do that 3 more times. Rolling out your shoulders, release any tension. Everything is connected. When you have tension in your neck, it's usually also in your shoulders. Now reverse direction. So bring your elbows down, back, up, and forward. 3 more times. Great. And lower your hands down. And then let's stretch out our hips because we've been sitting in a cross-legged position for a little bit. Keep your right leg in the front and place your left foot behind you. Your right foot sole is close to your left knee. Plant your right hand next to your right seat on the floor. And then as you inhale, raise your pelvis and left arm up towards the sky. Open your front body, stretch out your hips, take a deep breath. Now if this is uncomfortable for your knees, I'll show you another way you can do this in your cross-legged position with your right leg in front. Plant your right hand next to your right seat on the floor. Lift your pelvis and left arm up. So you have 2 options. And then let's all sit down. Switching sides. Bring your left leg in front of you. And then place your right foot behind you. So now your right knee is close to your left foot sole. This is option 1. Place your left hand next to your left seat on the ground and press down firmly. And then as you inhale, raise your hips and right arm up towards the sky. Take a deep breath. So this is your option 1, and I'll show you option 2. Make sure that your left leg is in front, crossing at your shins. Left hand is next to your left seat on the ground. As you inhale, lifting your pelvis up and your right arm as well. And then slowly lower down, come back into your cross-legged position. Let's finish our stretch with 2 rainbow breaths. Bring your arms out to the sides, flip your palms open. Inhale, circle your arms up. Exhale, turn your palms facing down, lower your arms all the way down. 1 more time. Inhale, elevate your arms up. And exhale to lower your arms down. Rest your hands on your knees, relax your shoulders, sit up tall, and take a moment to check in with yourself. You can close your eyes or softly gaze at the floor. Notice how your body and especially your neck and shoulder area feels. And then begin to deepen your breath. We'll slowly finish our stretch together. And then as you inhale, lift your arms up. Exhale, bring your palms to touch and draw your hands down in prayer position in front of your heart. Take a moment to thank yourself for taking this time to stretch and release tension. And thank you so much for joining me. May this practice be a blessing to you, from my heart to yours. Thank you so much for watching. Sign up now for your free Blissful Morning Guide by clicking the first link below this video. Just enter your first name and email and I'll instantly send it to you. And also, if you like this video, give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for new yoga videos every Tuesday. I look forward to seeing you soon again. Bye!